Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will speak about the intercepted form, x-intercepted form. F of x equals to a times x minus x1 times x minus x2 when x1, x2 are the two roots of the equation. Yes, but the name now is x-intercepted. X-intercepted. If you graphed this function, the curve will intersect x-axis at the 2 point x1 and x2. For example, f of x equals 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 from this function. A it's equals 2. That's meaning this parabola of the function have to be opened up. Yes, the parabola of this function will open up. x1 it's equals 1. Yes, not -1, it's 1. It's x minus x1. That's meaning x equal 1. You have to take by the opposite sign. Or put x minus 1 equals to 0. You will get x equals to 1. x2 it's equals, now it's -2. x2 have to be -2. This is the curve will intersect x-axis at 1 and at -2. How to get the vertex? This is the first rule and the important one. How to get the vertex? The vertex is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and the function that represents this one, the function of the result. How to get the vertex from this one? Find x coordinate first. X coordinate, or we can say that it is h. From the vertex form is h. How to get h? x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 1 plus -2. It equals -1 divided by 2. This is the vertex. This is x coordinate of the vertex. This is h. How to find k, the result? Substitute now. Put x as -half. It's gonna to be 2. This is a. Times x minus 1. It's -1 over 2 minus 1. It's 1.5. It's -3 over 2. Because it's -half, -1. It's -1.5. That's meaning -3 over 2. Times x plus 2. It's -half plus 2. It's equals 1.5. It's equal 3 over 2. Multiply now. Yes, it's negative number. 9 over 2. That's meaning the vertex is the point -1 over 2 and -9 over 2. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Another one. F of x equals to -3 x minus 5 times x minus 1. This is a. The parabola will open down. This function will open down. A is negative number. x1 it's equals to 5. x2 it's equals to 1. By the opposite sign. Or put x minus 1 equals 0. X will be 1. X minus 5 equals to 0. X will be 5. How to get the x coordinate of the vertex or h? Just I will add 5 plus 1 divided by 2. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. It's going to be 3. How to find k? I will substitute in the function. It's negative 3 times x minus 5. X, it's equal to 3. So it's 3 minus 5, it's equals to negative 2. Times x minus 1. It's 3 minus 1, it's equals 2. The result will be positive because negative times negative, it have to be positive. And 3 times 2, it's equals to 6. 6 times 2, it's equals 12. That means this vertex have to be 3 and 12. This is how to get the vertex. If you get the, you can do anything. Look to this question. F of x equals x times x minus 3. Where is x1 and x2? Yeah, x1 equals 0. It's x alone. That's meaning x equals 0. It's x minus 0. So x1 have to be 0. x2 it's equal 3. Another 1. F of x equals negative 2. 8 minus x times x. x1 equals 8. 8. I will write 8 minus x equals 0. That's meaning x equals 8. And x2 it have to be 0. It's x alone. It's only x. Another 1. F of x equals negative x minus 3 times 2x minus 1. I will write x1 it equals what? 3. x2 I will have to put 2. I have to put 2x minus 1 to write it. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. That's meaning 2x equals 1. X equals 1 over 2. This is x2. It have to be 1 over 2. Okay? Function f of x equals to half times x plus 2 times x minus 10. The vertex point h and k. Vertex is h and k. This is the vertex. What the value of k? I want to know what the value of k. K equals what? How to find h? Yes, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Where is x1? It is negative 2. Where is x2? It equals to 10. That's meaning negative 2 plus 10 divided by 2. It is 8 divided by 2. It equals 4. How to find k? Substitute 4 minus 10 because x equals to 4. It's going to be 1 over 2 times 4 plus 2, 6. Times 4 minus 10, it equals negative 6. Multiply, the result will be negative. And we can simplify this one by this one. This is going to be 1 and this 3. 3 times 6, it equals 18. So the value of k is negative 18. This is the correct answer. Look to the next one. Oh, we have the graph. You have to study this one. But first, what do you want? We have the function y equals 1 over 3x times x minus 6. Which of the following are the coordinates of vertex P? How to find the coordinates of the vertex B? This is 1. This is the vertex of the function. We have the function y equals 1 over 3x times x minus 6. Where is x1 and x2? This is x intercepted 4. Where is x1 and x2? X meaning x minus 0. That's meaning x1 equals to 0. Where is x2? It equals to 6. This one. Now, h is what? 0 plus 6 divided by 2, it's gonna to be 3. K equals what? I will write substitute in this one. I will write x at 3. So it's gonna to be 3 third times 3 times 3 minus 6, it equals negative 3. I can cancel out this 3 with 3, and the result have to be negative 3. B is, the point B is 3 and negative 3, number C. Next question. F of x equals k times x plus 4 times x minus 10. We have the function. And we have that the vertex of the parabola is A and B. If B equals to negative 7, which of the following is equals to k? Find the value of k. To find the value of k, at least I want to find 1 point. 1 point on the curve, located on the curve. I can find what? Vertex. I can find the vertex. Vertex h equals, yeah, x1 is equals negative 4, x2 is equals to 10. So it's going to be negative 4 plus 10 divided by 2. It's equals 6 divided by 2, it's equals to 3. I want to find k. I will substitute. H here it's equals A. K it's equals B, because he tell me that A and B is the vertex. I will substitute. B it's equals negative 7 without do anything. B it's equals to negative 7. That's meaning we have the point 3 and negative 7. He tell me that B it's equals to negative 7. That's meaning x equals 3 when y equals to negative 7, or f of x equals to negative 7, or the result equals to negative 7. Substitute in the function. It's k times 3 plus 4 multiplied by x minus 10. It's gonna to be, 3 minus 10, because x equals 3. The result have to be negative 7. All of this have to be negative 7. 3 plus 4 is equals 7. 7. 3 minus 9 is equals 3 minus 10, it's equals negative 7. K times 7 times negative 7, it's equal negative 49. K equals negative 7 divided by negative 49, it's gonna to be 1 over 7. The answer have to be 1 over 7. Just I divided negative 49 in k equals to negative 7. I divided by negative 49 in both hands. Now I will cancel out the negative 49, and k equal negative divided by negative, it's gonna to be positive, divided by 7 up and down, it's gonna to be 1 over 7. This is the answer. Next one. In this question, we have the graph, and we have y equals negative times x minus 2 times x plus 5, and he asking me about the area of triangle STR. This one. To find the area, I have to find the length of the base and the height. The height is starting from the origin point to T. Firstly, we have x1 and x2. This point represent x1 and x2. These points represent x1 and x2. Y x intercepted. x1 it's equals here 2, and this one it's equals negative 5. S have to be negative 5 and 0. Yes, y have to be 0. This point on x-axis, so y have to be equals to 0. Why you put negative 5? S is to the left of the origin point, so S have to be negative, but R to the right of the origin point, so R have to be positive. It's 2 and 0, yes, because on x-axis. Okay, how to get this one? This one is 0 and t. I don't know the value of t, but I know it's x equals to 0. Why? Because the point is located on y-axis. So x-axis, x coordinate have to be 0. So now I can find the length of the base. It's easy. From 5 to 2 we have, from -5 to origin point we have 5 units, and we have other 2 units here. That's meaning the base is 7 units. How to get this one? I have to find the value of y here. So I have to find the value of y. The value of y is t. I will put x as 0. In the function, we have the function y equal negative x minus 2 times x plus 5. X equals to 0. Put x equals to 0. Now y equals what? Negative times 0 minus 2 times 0 plus 5. It equals negative times negative 2 times 5. That's negative 1 times negative 2 times 5. It equals to 10. Yes. T equals 10. That means this point is 10. That means the height equals 10 units. Now I can find the area. Yes. The area of triangle now it's half times base times height. It equals half times 7 times 10. I can half times 10 first. It's gonna to be 5. I can cancel out 10 with 2. The result will be 5. 5 times 7. It's 35 square units. Any question? Do it step by step, and you will get the answer. In this one, the cross-section view of a river in Los Angeles, modeled by the graph above. The equation represented by the graph d of x times x, k times x minus 10 times x minus 50. What does this mean? What do you mean cross-section? This is cross-section. That's meaning this is the river. He imagines that the river like this. A river, and here is the water. Here we have the water here. This is the cross section. This is the depth of the river, and from here to here, this is the wide of the river. That's meaning in depth negative 20 meter, the distance or the wide of the river will start from this point to this point. At the top, at the sea level, the wide of the river will be from this point to this point. The distance from this point to this point, this is the wide of the river. I'll go to the question. How wide is the river in meters? How wide? What is the distance between this point and this point? Don't forget you have the vertex depth equal k multiplied by x minus 10 multiplied by x minus 50. That's meaning we have x1 is equals 10 and x2 it's equals 50. This one is 10 and this one is 50. What is the wide? The distance between 50 and 10. It's gonna to be 50 minus 10. It equals 40 meters. This is the wide of the river. Go to the next question. The next question, based on the question above, what is the value of k? Find the value of k. How to get the value of k? We have vertex point here. This vertex point is what? It is in the mid distance between 10 and 50. This is 20. This is 30. This is 40. This is 50. That means this point is gonna to be 30. And what is the value of y coordinate? It equals a negative 50. We can substitute by this point. If we have d depth equals k times x minus 10 times x minus 50. So now x equals 30 and the result have to be negative 50.